Building a channel for intersecting walls is key to making sure your drywall has solid backing on both sides and your walls look clean and professional. So, here's how you do it. First, you take 2 studs and lay them flat against each other. Then, grab a third stud and nail it perpendicular to those 2 right where the walls meet. This setup gives you a sturdy frame exactly at the corner. Make sure you fasten everything tight with nails or screws so nothing wiggles around later. The channel should be positioned so both drywall sheets can be properly attached without leaving gaps or weak spots. Keep in mind that spacing and alignment are crucial. If it's off, your drywall won't sit flush, and that's a pain to fix. Also, double check the studs are straight before securing them, because crooked framing messes with your finish. After that, you're good to go with drywall installation on both walls. And the channel helps create a solid, code-compliant intersection. One of the biggest mistakes people make when constructing channels for intersecting walls is not nailing the 2 studs flat enough, which leads to uneven drywall backing that causes bumps or hollows in the wall finish. Fix this by carefully pressing the studs flat before fastening. Another common issue is placing the third perpendicular stud too far away or too close, messing up drywall placement and making taping tricky. Measure twice, nail once. The third problem is using the wrong fasteners or not securing the channel tightly enough, which causes movement and cracking in drywall joints later on. Always use appropriate nails or screws and confirm everything is snug. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to framing and drywall work. It also connects contractors with people looking for quality home improvement jobs, making it easier for everyone to get things done right the first time.